Creativity. Creativity is the making of something new and useful. But why do we use creativity? Well, for instance, IBM surveyed more than 1,500 CEOs across the world, and 60% of them said that creativity is the number one thing they're looking for in their future workforce because creative people embrace change, take risks, tolerate ambiguity, support innovation, and so much more. So where should you begin teaching creativity at home? I would start with the creative thinking skills. Number one is fluency, or the ability to generate quantities of ideas. Then we have flexibility. This is your child's ability to create different categories of ideas or look at things from a different point of view. Then we have originality. This is generating new, different, and unique ideas. And finally, elaboration. This is embellishing ideas with details. So, my daughter and I, for an example, used these 4 creative thinking skills today to invent a new animal. In her fluency box, I said, let's brainstorm a list of all the animals you can think of in 2 minutes. There's her list. Then for her flexibility box, I said, okay, we're going to regroup your animal list into likenesses. So there's her regrouping. She was very flexible. Then going down to the originality box, I said, okay, now let's combine 2 of your animals to create a new animal no one's ever seen before. She chose like the butterfly plus the ant equals the antlerfly, but she really loved combining a whale plus a dog and created the wog. So check it out. Then I said elaborate. So here is her sketch of the wog. You've never seen a wog before. So I said let's draw it in full color as well, and let's embellish even more. So ladies and gentlemen, here is the wog. I also have an example from a 2nd grader. This is the oxosaur. Now you may be asking, why should we be using these skills to create new animals? Well, check it out. These are some of the combination innovations that changed the world using the same process. For instance, the telephone was combined with the walkie-talkie, and now everyone's carrying around cell phones. Or the car was combined with the bicycle, and now we have people driving motorcycles. So there you have it. These skills are very transferable to the future world. So keep reading, keep writing, but most importantly, be safe.